And we're back again, guys. So we're gonna work on getting the wires and everything looking pretty, everything hooked up to the distributor cap. We've got our list going, so we can just start checking things off as we go along, get things taken care of. We'll get some of the bypass hoses and stuff like that done, get that taken care of, get the coil in, get the wire ran. We're just gonna try and get as much done as we can today as quickly as possible. So, okay guys, let me get back to work here. This one's gonna be short, just to give a quick update so you guys know where we're at and what we're doing. And yeah, all right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Alrighty, so we got our horns on. Everything's lined up the way it's supposed to be. We got our wires done, routed. I just need to get the coil and the coil wire. We're waiting on that from the parts store. But yeah, this one's gonna be kind of a short one because it's kind of just digging for parts at this point to get them on and make sure everything's lined up like it's supposed to be. There's a few things we're still waiting on. But yeah, we're just kind of going through our list a little bit at a time. So we're good so far. But all right, guys, short, sweet. See you on the next one.